What is going on, homies and homettes? It's your boy Dexter, also known as Mugged, and today I'm coming at you guys with the first official video back in my personal style. Today we're going to be going over 6 ways to instantly start being more attractive, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Quickly before this video starts, I want to give a post notification shout out to these people. Thank you guys so much for supporting. If you guys want a shout out, just comment Notif Squad in the comment section down below and I'll give you guys a shout out in the next video. So tip number 1 is going to be skincare. You want to take good care of your skin because that is the first thing that people notice. So there's 2 ways to go about this. Basically, the first thing you could do is actually get the proper products in order to take care of your skin. That includes moisturizers, face wash. You don't want to be using the same products for everything. If you're using your shampoo / body wash on your face, odds are you're ruining your skin even more, because then you're just letting a lot of different bacteria pile up in your skin, which causes acne, which causes blackheads, and it causes so many problems that could easily be avoided. So number 1 thing I'd recommend is investing into actual products to clean your face. And the second part where people go wrong normally is in the food that they eat. If they're eating super greasy food and they don't really wash their hands after, you're just letting all this bacteria build overall, and you're being super careless, and it's going to reflect on your skin. It's that simple. So overall, I'd really recommend being more cautious to just your hygiene in general, like to be sure to wash your hands after you eat, after you do anything. And overall, for the products, get good skincare products. Make sure that you look at people, review those products, and kind of see how the reactions have been. If you guys don't want to go to the store and skip all that, you can go to Tiege Hanley. I've been using their products for over 4 years, and honestly, every time I'm using it, I just see the glow in my skin, and I really love it. So yeah, you guys could use code Dexter for 20% off on your first order. It's not a sponsor, it's just I'm kind of affiliated with them because, well, I believe in their brand, they believe in my channel. And yeah, it's just been like that. So anyway, right now I'm gonna eat this breakfast, then we're gonna get into tip number 2. So if you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button and drop a like on the video. Let's get to it. I felt like I had to take it back to the old room just for the sake of nostalgia. In all my old videos, this used to be the backdrop. And yeah, it just feels nice to be back here. But the tip number 2 is your posture. So you want to stand tall and have your shoulders back. This is something that they teach you in the army. It's something that they teach you in multiple books, like 12 Rules for Life by Jordan B. Peterson, and many more. A lot of people say that having good posture not only makes you look more confident, it shows that you are not put down easily. It shows that you don't care about what other people think. It shows that you are a badass, and that's something that makes you more attractive. So remember, stand tall, shoulders back. You got this. Tip number 3 is to have confidence. Now, this is really easy to say, and there's a few ways that are proven to actually help you have more confidence. Things like having a really nice outfit. If you are feeling really good in an outfit, your confidence will naturally be higher. If people compliment you throughout the day, your confidence will naturally be higher. But something that is proven to have so many good benefits, something that everybody in the world just recommends, and a lot of people still don't do it: go to the gym. Like, it doesn't matter if you just go do strict cardio or whatever. If you start going to the gym, you will feel more confident. It's naturally linked. It is just proven by science, by surveys, by everything you can imagine. If you start going to the gym, you will be happier, you will be more confident, you will have less stress, and a lot of other good health benefits and life benefits. And yeah, there's just there's no debate here. Start going to the gym if you aren't, and if you already are, comment your fitness goal down below. Sweet. Tip number 4 is going to be style. Everybody always says dress to impress, but what does that really mean? It doesn't mean that you should be always wearing a suit or anything like that. It just means that every time you go out, you want to look a little bit better than everybody else around you. So let's say you're going to a party, and normally it's a house party. You know that there's gonna be people that pull up in sweatpants. You know that there's people that are gonna just be in jeans and nothing really nice. You can come in like jeans, a hoodie and a flannel, or just like a shirt and a flannel, anything like that. just to make yourself stand out a bit more. And trust me, people do pick up on this. People do notice this. A lot of the compliments I normally get every time I go to a party is normally about my style, and it makes you instantly 5 to 10 times more attractive. So anyway, let's go to the next tip. All right, tip number 5 is to always clean your room / house if you live by yourself.
Basically, if ever you have anybody over and they can see that you can take care of yourself and take care of your space at the same time, that basically means that if ever someone else is living with you, they're going to be welcome into a clean space, clean household. So basically, there's going to be a better dynamic between everyone living at the same time.
Exactly. Also, it's just always nice to get complimented on number one, like your hygiene and things like that, and then number 2, it's always nice to get a compliment that's like, I had one girl that was over and she told me, did you just clean like this for me, or do you always have it this clean? And getting that like type of reaction, honestly, it's something that could genuinely make your day.
Boost your confidence like crazy too. Whenever
Exactly.
you clean your place and someone asks you like, oh, is this specially for me? Either way, they're gonna see that you do it on a regular basis, and they're gonna just love it.
So what that does is it creates a loop. You're always going, if you clean your stuff, somebody compliments you, you get more confidence, it makes you more attractive. It's just a constant loop, and that's exactly what you want.
That's it. And it's better in every way for everybody. So.
Lastly, tip number 6 is to have hobbies, whether that's playing guitar, reading books. Just do something that makes you interesting. Do something that helps you kind of be able to relate to people and be able to just have more to talk about in conversation. Because imagine this, you go on a date and you have nothing to talk about. You have nothing interesting going on with your life, and there's just nothing to make you different than any other guy. So be sure to have some hobbies. I'd really recommend starting with something like playing guitar. That's something that I did when I was like 12 or 13, and it's still such a good escape to have, as well as like reading. You get a lot of general knowledge and a lot of stuff that you guys can talk about for a longer period of time, which at the end of the day makes you more attractive to the girl, because she's like, whoa, this guy's interesting, this guy's different, and that makes you a lot more attractive. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, drop a like, comment what tip you like the most, and once again, if you want to post notifications shout out, then comment Notif Squad down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.